Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the light bulbs or the tail light assembly on a Ford Escape first generation. That will be the same procedure from 2001 all the way until 2007. So this tail light right here, in order to access the light bulbs or remove and replace the tail light, you need to remove two screws right there with the Phillips screwdriver and just take them off all the way. Unfortunately, that's how they designed it. You have to remove the tail light in order to replace the light bulbs. And after that, as you can see, it's still stuck. So right here there is two glides holding it, so you need to grab it and pull it really good. And as you can see, that's where the glides are, right here, and they go in those rubber seals, and that's where the light bulbs are now. So if you need to replace the tail light, all you need to do is just push down like that, and you will be able to pull the wires out and the tail light will be out of there. Okay, it's pretty simple. Some of them will be really stuck depending if they've been removed or not in the past. Okay, and this is the tail light. So now, if you need to replace the light bulbs, the top one is the stop light, the brake light, and the tail light right here. And all you need to do, just turn it counterclockwise, and now the bulb, you just pull it out, and this is the number if you need it, 3157. Okay, and then the new one, you just push it back in. Now you need to get it in the slots. It goes only in a certain angle, and turn it clockwise now. And this is for the turn signal. It's the same procedure, just pull it out. So that's how you guys do it. The one on the bottom is for reverse. Those usually don't go bad because you don't use them as much. And all we got to do now is just push the cables in, and the tail light, after that you just push it back in and install the screws. You need to make sure that the glides go in the holes. Okay, and that's it right there. The only thing left is the screws. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.